Hello everybody, I am Radhima Vij, your actual BFF, and welcome to my YouTube channel. So from today we will embark on this exhilarating journey to learn and deep dive more about actuarial science. So before going deep down into it, I want to ask you one simple question. Have you ever wondered how insurance company sets premium, predicts risk, or for that matter plans for the future? Well, my friends, that's the magic of actuarial science. It's like being a financial detective using maths, stats, and economics to solve complex financial problems. So the question is, what is actuarial science? At its core, actuarial science is all about managing risk, from analyzing data to predict the risk, to designing innovative insurance policies, to evaluating investment strategies. Actuaries are the mastermind behind all the decision making that affects our financial landscape. So let's think a little more. When COVID-19 hit, insurance claims soared. In fact, according to IRDAI's March 2022 annual report, insurance companies settled over 2 lakh claims, death claims only related to pandemic, which amounted to around 17,000 crore rupees. In fact, general insurance and health insurance settled over 2 crore health insurance claim, which amounted to around 70,000 crores. And also in equity markets also took a nosedive, and that is investments were also not performing that good, and so it was a perfect storm of a financial turmoil, but no insurance company got bankrupt. Have you ever wondered why? You see, actuaries aren't just the number crunchers. Actuaries are the guardians of the financial stability. We calculate reserves, assess risk probability, and ensure that the insurance companies have enough funds to weather even from the worst catastrophic events. And do you think that is all? No, there are many more things to it. Even after COVID-19, actuaries ensure that they provide for this COVID-19 related claims and coverages in the insurance products, and thus price the products effectively. But that's the topic for another day and another video. Well, there you have it, folks. Hope you find this video, the introduction to actuarial science, intriguing and inspiring. If yes, don't forget to like my channel, drop a comment if you have any question, and I'll try to answer. Thanks for tuning in to Actuarial BFF. I am Radhima Vij. I'll see you next time. Stay curious and keep crunching numbers. Bye.